Hello and welcome to Odisha Post Live. This is Purnima presenting you with the headlines of the day. The School and Mass Education S&ME department is keen to resume physical classes for class 9 and 11 students in Odisha. The process for resumption has been initiated and a final call in this regard will be taken after coming first week of February. This was informed by S&ME Minister Samir Ranjan Das Saturday afternoon. The department has been holding discussions and consultations with different stakeholders on the date of reopening of class 9 and 11 for this academic session, the minister said. The Odisha and Madhya Pradesh governments have discussed the modalities for shifting tigress Sundari from Satkosia Tiger Reserve to Kanha National Park in MP. The Principal Chief Conservator of Forest (PCCF) of both the states Saturday held discussions over the matter. According to the source, the PCCF of Madhya Pradesh informed his Odisha counterpart that instructions have been given to the authorities of Kanha National Park to bring back Tigress Sundari. A man is in for trouble for running over a dog near Surekha Vatika Market complex in Atala village near Balianta area on Bhubaneswar outskirts. People for Animals and Animal Rights Organization has lodged a report with Balianta police station in this connection. According to the report, the man driving a sedan ran over the dog January 28 at 3:36 p.m. in an inebriated state. The animal died on the spot. It was not an accident, as the driver intentionally hit the dog, a member of People for Animal alleged. In a major crackdown, police arrested 4 accused persons in the connection with thefts of idols and recovered 9 idols of different gods and goddesses from their possession Saturday evening. According to sources, 22 idols were earlier stolen from the famous Daksha Pajapati temple of Banpur area in Khordha district. Forest Department Sunday arrested 6 persons in connection with the death of a leopard which was caught in a trap meant to catch wild boars in Kundakhai forest under Buguda forest range in Ganjam district. According to Dr. Bhagavati Prasad Das, who performed autopsy on the dead animal, the big cat died due to asphyxiation and hunger. The knot of the trap around the animal's neck resulted in asphyxiation. Farmer leader Naresh Tiket Sunday said that protesting farmers will honor the dignity of Prime Minister but are also committed to protect their own self-respect a day after Narendra Modi said his government was just a phone call away for talks with them. Tiket said the government should release our men and prepare an environment conducive for talk. Centre today allowed cinema halls and theatres across the country to operate at 100% occupancy. That's all for today. You were watching Odisha Post Live. To stay updated, stay connected with Odisha Post Live.